Varun, I have seen a couple of your reels, and you have covered the the event of the millennium, I would say, Mahakumbh. So, if you can just tell me about that.
That Mahakumbh is the world's biggest event, and in fact, it was. And I was like, there has to be some content created from an event planner's perspective, so that event planners would understand that how this kind of a massive event was actually executed.
हेलो एवरीवन, वंस अगेन दिस इज रितेश राका। हम आप लोगों के लिए काफी इंफॉर्मेटिव एंड एक्साइटिंग कंटेंट लेके आ रहे हैं। वी हैव इनवाइटेड लॉट ऑफ वेडिंग एक्सपर्ट्स एंड वी मेक श्योर दैट वी कीप दीज वीडियोस शॉर्ट। चले, लेट्स गो।
So, Varun, I have seen a couple of your reels, and you have covered the event of the millennium, I would say, Mahakumbh. So, if you can just tell me about that.
Absolutely. So, I've just started creating content a year back, and I was just too done with those regular kind of content that is five mistakes the event planner would make, or 3 things that he should do. And I was like, there has to be some better way to create content. And I was just sleeping at रोज जैसे हम सवेरे देखते हैं reels वगैरह, and this thought came to me that if people are saying that Mahakumbh is the world's biggest event, and in fact it was, and I was like, there has to be some content created from an event planner's perspective, so that event planners would understand that how this kind of a massive event was actually executed. Because there were so many learnings, right from how the infrastructure was planned, how the entire district was set up, how the sanitation and everything took place. Apart from that, there was entertainment and everything that we can think of in a big wedding or a event was there, and maybe more. There was even so how do you manage like 60 crore people in a span of 45 days?
Correct.
With precision. Where मैंने एक रील में देखा था कि they are using AI cameras कि जहाँ पे once you enter the Mahakumbh area, till the time you get out from there, they are tracking you and like your minute by minute. So I was very fascinated with it, and I thought that I should be the one. If no one else is covering, then I should be the one covering this.
Correct.
No plan, no prior experience of having a YouTube video made, or how a document or docu-series or a documentary is created. I called a friend, I told him कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरे को आज सवेरे इच्छा हुई है कि मेरे को महाकुंभ जाना है और मेरे को ये शूट करना है। कैसे करेंगे मेरे को नहीं पता, तो तेरे पास कैमरा है, चल चलते हैं। He backed out. Like he said yes. Next day he backed out, and that day only I was having a discussion कि तू वीडियो तो तू बना लेगा, एडिटिंग कौन करेगा? तो एडिटर से हम बात करते हैं। तो एडिटर से हमने बात की, और नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन ही बैक्ड आउट, आई वाज स्पीकिंग टू दैट एडिटर गाय कि अरे यार उसने तो बैकआउट कर दिया, अब मैं क्या करूँ? एंड ही टोल्ड मी कि अरे भैया मैं चलता हूँ आपके साथ, इस पे क्या हो गया? एंड नेक्स्ट डे वी लेफ्ट इन कार, लाइक वी ड्रोव फ्रॉम हियर and we reached there without no prior experience. मैंने scripting के लिए I spoke to someone, like मैंने Instagram पे post डाला that I am looking for a script writer and cinematographer who can help me creating a script. And while I was going, I explained him, and he gave me like a basic script कि ये कर सकते हो आप. And all of this is happening while I am driving to Mahakumbh. I go to Mahakumbh and I spoke to a couple of people who were working from the events industry over there, क्योंकि वही लोग थे जिनसे मैं कनेक्ट कर सकता था। तो मैंने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे मैसेज डाला और मैं कनेक्ट किया मैंने एक जन से। I spoke to him, he met me, he gave me a lot of insights, and next day he was supposed to make me meet other people, but then he backed out. He stopped receiving my call the other day. Maybe he must be busy. I'm giving him that benefit of doubt. And I was like, Varun, yaar, tu yahan pe hai. You're already here. And now you have to do something or the other and get things done. फिर मैंने उस दिन बैठा, आई स्पोक टू द स्क्रिप्ट गाय, वी वर विथ हिम ऑन अ गूगल मीट फॉर ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 3-4 hours. We understood, and next day I just started. I went, I spoke to one vendor who was also like who was doing like 7 different districts में वो काम कर रहा था.
Okay.
So I spoke to him and he gave me like a very nice bite in the morning itself, and he spoke to me, and from there I didn't stop. I spoke to the sanitation guys. I spoke to catering guys who were managing free food for 1 lakh people.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Then I spoke to the events guy for sure to understand that कैसे होता है. So he gave me an insight that everything is so well managed. Like if we have to enter a SEZ zone in a corporate, how crucial it is to be accounted for each and every nail that is going inside and coming out of it. Mahakumbh was that precisely managed.
Oh wow, it's amazing.
Yeah, so they had accommodation for around 20 crore people that they had created, and each and everything was accounted for. So that happened. And after that, I spoke to bank managers that what is a bank doing in Markham. In my life, I spoke to someone from the Reserve Bank of India for the first time. They had a like a complete booth over there. Jisme they told me that we want to connect with regular people, right? And what best place could it be? Then I saw a couple of exhibitions by government. जैसे I saw 112 करके एक emergency number, helpline number. So when we call 112, how does the back end of the entire thing work, and how a police is reached? You know, like a cop reaches you in 7 minutes 7 seconds. So that was over there, and I spoke to them, and I was just so fascinated with all of this that this is a religious event.
Correct.
There has to be entertainment, I understand.
Correct.
There has to be pilgrim, I understand. But what is this 112 exhibition doing over here? Or maybe new there was one more exhibition called ADOP, which was one district, one product. So 75 different districts, 75 different stalls of UP.
Okay.
And each district had one product that was native of that district. And they created products around it.
Amazing.
So those kind of exhibitions, so I spoke to them. But what is your need over here? Like we want to educate people, and what better place than Markham, where there are 60 crore people coming in.
Correct.
And I was just so fascinated, and that's how the entire video, like I made the entire video of Markham. And I guess after I posting it, I at least got 25-30 calls just saying that this is such a nice perspective, that there's no content as such for event planners on social media.
Correct.
And whatever is there, it's like I have saw a couple of them, but those are outdated now. 5 साल पुराने वीडियो है, तो अभी तो लोग बहुत ज्यादा कुछ चेंज हो गया पिछले 5 सालों में. तो I was like, yeah, this is a new age content, and this is the content that everyone needs also.
Correct. So any new podcast or any new video are you planning on such topics?
Yes, so basically the idea of Markham video was such great that now I want to create a docu-series on all kind of events that we do, right? From corporate events, how a MICE is done, how an annual day is done, how a family day is done, how a wedding is done, what all does an event planner think of, and how does it happen. So I want to create like a very infotainment kind of videos like we see on National Geographic or History Channel कि अब ये दिक्कत हो गई है, तो अब इसका सोल्यूशन हम क्या करेंगे, एंड देन इन 2-3 minutes यू शो कर ये हमारी दिक्कत हो गई थी और हमको ये करना पड़ा. एंड if we look at the event from a macro perspective, from like keeping ourselves out of it, what we do over there is nothing less than a superhero.
Correct.
What we do at an event at times is nothing less than a superhero. Then all of this needs to be documented. One, and second, it needs to go out and people should know कि they should have a reference point कि यहाँ पे ऐसी अगर किसी ने कर लिया था तो हाँ मैं भी ये कर सकता हूँ. Correct. And that is the kind of videos that I love to create these days. And I'm speaking to someone at IPL also to understand that how I can do something like this at IPL. But let's see, it's a long shot for me.
All the best. I think you'll definitely get such opportunities, and it will be.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. अगर आपको लगता है कि ये content किसी के लिए important है, please share with them. And in case if you want us to cover a specific topic or content, please comment below.